Okay, let's go. Today we are going to talk about ICICI Bank Limited. This is the daily chart of ICICI Bank. I drawn this all support and resistance on daily and hourly chart because we are going to analyze with it from multi-time frame analysis and any other pattern formation and profitable chances in this current situation of this ICICI market. Okay, these blue lines are the daily chart uh, support and resistance levels. Okay, how can we draw a support and resistance correctly? We need to go to the line chart. This is the correct method to draw the support and resistance. This is the current market, so this is the nearly current market good resistance. Okay, these are the previously two times touch this line and it's the good potential on here. Okay, you can, because this market is reversed on this two areas and a lot of areas on the previous market also. So this is the good next resistance level on daily chart, and next resistance level is on, yeah, okay, so the next is 376 and another resistance level is 392. These are the daily resistance, higher potential resistance, and in the near the current market, right? What about the support lines? This blue or support line, this is the correct and very near support line. Okay, you can here is the good playing like a good support lines, and we need to draw minimum two support and two resistance levels near the market. Okay, this is the one support line and another support line. These are the current market good support lines, right? So what about the this time I need to change this candlestick chart. You can see this is the good previous resistance line. You can check on the previous market also playing very well. Okay, then this is the another chart. What do you think about it? It's a good resistance, but if the line chart no any touches on here, but we drawn this line and again check this one, this is the good touches. Why is played? This is the because this is the good resistance. Oh, so plate on this previous resistance is plate on here. Okay, so don't worry about this. Is the good way to analyze the market. After what about this daily chart? We draw that two support and two resistance on current market. After we need to go the low time frame. What is the low time frame on daily chart? Hourly chart. So I change this chart on hourly chart. The current market, near the current market, I need to draw the resistance zone there, right? Okay, these are the current market nearly resistance. You can check there, good potential resistance, and the next resistance is also here. This is the we also drawn this on daily chart, so no need to draw again. What about the on the support line, the current market can go again. This is the good support line. Okay, because the good touches on this the previous market played very well, because there is the good reversal points, so they played big potential. And about the next is you can go, and this is the one of the another good resistance the played on this previous markets, right? And go the more and check it, check there, and near this the hourly line and that daily line also on behind it, right? Okay, this is the current market situation. So I need to change this candlestick chart. This is the good formations. What about this is the current market movement, and inside of this the current market movement, this is the good formation of this rising wedge, right? Okay, this is the pattern formation. But did you got this pattern formation clearly? but sometimes you didn't got this pattern, you need to go for the low time frame and you can check the good pattern formation, right? Okay, because the current market coming, this is the good resistance. So 1 touch and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. So this time is market is the current market. What do you think about this current market? Have a chance to reach this rising which this line, and this is the good resistance on hourly chart. So this current market can have a chance to reach this area. Okay, if you got this point, current market can have a chance to reach this area, but no need to touch on 100%. Okay, but have a chance. Potentially this the current market is also in a uptrend, because low high, higher low, higher high, again touch this higher low, so again have a chance to reach this higher high, because the current market is on uptrend movement. So first point is have a chance to reach by this this is the on the uptrend. And second point is this is the resistance on hourly chart. The third point is inside this rising wedge pattern. So is the three main reasons for this market is have a chance to reach this place again. So these three things are need to play it like a again this market on going down, because is the good resistance. Also we know this is a good 1 hour resistance, and this is the good falling wedge upper line, and also this is the play it a good trend line also here, right? Okay, so these three things are upper trend line, upper line of this the rising wedge, right? Okay, so these three things are again this is the good potential reversal here. And after, what do you think about this current market have a chance to reach this on bottom line also? Any other corrections? Sometimes markets again go up and have a chance to reach like this, but we can confirm this. You need to wait for the market, and after you can go for the invest. What about this time on tomorrow? You can wait and suddenly you can put for the buy, and after you can chance to reach this again, you can the good opportunity to sell it, and you know market have a chance to reach there again a correction, and again this is the falling wedge pattern. So this market is again chance to break this the rising wedge, so break on downside and reach this 1 hourly chart support, support. Okay, did you got my point? These are the good analysis how to analyze this market. So you need to check on tomorrow and play this analysis. Okay, and after you can go for the trade with your own knowledge. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for like this analysis. Okay, thank you.